The main advantage of this technique is that it offers a significantly less invasive approach.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because the implantable device development is a discipline which requires experience both in hardware and software design.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as the endoscopic submucosal implantation is an experimental procedure currently not used in daily practice.
To begin this procedure, place the PCBs on a flat surface. Use a solder paste dispenser with a 0.6 mm needle and 60 psi pressure to manually dispense less than 15 microliters of the soldering paste onto every metallic pad on the PCB. Begin with the top side of the PCB. With a pair of anti-static tweezers, place all components on the top layer of the PCB. Assign the component positions and components to their numbers. After that, use a PCB hot air gun station at 260 degrees Celsius to solder all components. Wait until all the solder paste melts, put away the hot air gun, and allow the board to cool to room temperature. Connect the PCB to all other electrical components except for the battery. Solder the wireless charging communication coil to pads 2 and 3. Then connect the antenna to pad 1 and the PCB electrodes to pads number 4 and 5. Following that, solder the CG320 battery to pads 6 and 7. The negative terminal of the battery must be soldered onto pad 7.